Repurposing your blog's content for Quora. Hey there, friends. Quora can be a great platform for repurposing your brand's content when used right. While it might not offer a dedicated blog feature, you can leverage the space provided by Answers to distribute your content. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to repurpose a blog post to answer a question. Additionally, we'll also show you how to use repurposed blog content to build a backlink with each answer that you compose the following way. Step number 1. Finding a content piece that you can repurpose. Step 1 of the strategy is finding a content piece that you can repurpose into an answer to a Quora question. The idea is to select a piece with information that can help someone to find a solution or answer to a common problem or issue in your niche. We are using WordPress as our content management system, so in this lesson, you'll see us navigate our WordPress site to find our content pieces. If you're using WordPress too, start by going to your site's dashboard. Next, click on the Post tab located in the left-hand sidebar menu. Once on the Post page, check your published posts in the Posts column. What you'll do now is to think of an issue or topic in your niche that you discuss in one of your blog posts. Once you identify the blog post, think of how you would formulate a question about that issue or topic on Quora. This should give you an idea about the keywords or terms that you are going to use to find a question that you can answer by repurposing the content in your post. Okay, now open that blog post in another tab in View mode. You are going to pull content from it while you compose your answer. And now that you've found a good post to repurpose, let's head over to Quora. Step number 2. Finding a good question to answer with your content. Alright, the next step is to find a good Quora question that you can reply to with the repurposed content. Start on Quora and go to any questions page. The easiest way is to search questions using niche keywords in your content. To do this, enter a keyword from your content into the search field, and then click on Search to go to the results page. And once there, click on the question shortcut to narrow results to questions only. Now check the questions in the results column. Identify a question that can be answered with information taken from your blog post. Now click on the question to go to the question page to compose your answer. Step number 3. Repurposing your blog post into an answer. The final step is to reformat content from your blog post to compose your answer. First, click on the answer icon to open the answer editor. Now go to the blog post page and check the title of the post. Now think of a way to rewrite that title as a direct answer to the question. Once you do, go back to the answer editor and type in the answer directly. Highlight it and click on Bold to bolden this text. Now add a brief overview of the solution that you'll provide as your answer. Now go back to your blog post page. Scan the content and identify a section or sections that you can use to elaborate the complete answer. In this case, we have a list article, and we can copy a paragraph from each entry and paste them one after the other in the answer editor. Once you have pasted all the content that you are going to repurpose, rewrite some parts to make it sound more casual and more conversational. You can add an image from your post into the answer by copying the image URL right from the post page by right-clicking over the image that you are going to use and then clicking on Copy Image Address. Now go back to the answer editor to insert your image. We recommend you to insert the image right after the intro. Simply insert a space and then click on the link icon. Now paste the image URL into the Enter URL field and then click on Add. The last step is to add a link to the original blog post. Start by composing a message to let the user know that you wrote a detailed article where they can find more information regarding their question. Then go to the blog post page and copy the blog post URL. Go back to the answer editor and then paste the blog post URL into the Enter URL field. Click on Add to insert the URL. You can click on Submit to finish. And that is it. As you can see, repurposing your existing content to expand your brand on Quora is just a few clicks away.